Hey, I've got this really cool 12-inch tall green mushroom lamp. This is a touch lamp. Right here on the top, all you do is just tap your finger on there and you're going to be able to dim this down and then brighten it. Now the brand did send this to me. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. I'm going to turn the lights on in a second, kind of give you a tour, but this is how it works. This is great ambient light. It's going to be perfect for just like a little end table or maybe like your nightstand by your bed. I love the fact that you don't have to fiddle around and search for like a switch. So if you're waking up in the middle of the night, all you got to do is reach over and just touch the top of this lamp and it's going to go ahead and work for you. A nice, decent, long battery life. You can put this anywhere you want. It's going to make a great ambient light, maybe even like a night light, like in a baby's room, or set it in the bathroom for getting up in the middle of the night, or on a nightstand. I could see this in a college dorm room. That would be the perfect place because it is a bit of a conversation piece. It does look really cool, and I could see a lot of the young kids really liking this. Okay, so here's the lamp. Just going to go ahead and touch it just to show you, and then you just hold down and it's going to turn it off. Here's the charger. This is a proprietary charger. It is magnetic. All you do is just touch it right here and it's going to charge. To take it off, literally, you can just disconnect like that. Here's the charger. It's a magnetic charger. It is proprietary to this lamp. All you're gonna do is set it in here. It's gonna just grab on and it's gonna go ahead and charge. It's gonna make a great night light, a great end table light. It's got that ambient light for you. A really nice ambient light, easy to operate, great for any kind of end table, night light. So if this is your style and you want something unique, definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review and thanks for watching.